What's up, everybody? Caden, the Bearded Samsung Pro here, and I'm so excited to finally be able to give you my unboxing video of the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. This is the year's hottest and best tablet, the best Android tablet that we've seen ever. So make sure that you've subscribed and that you like this video, because coming up here real soon, I'm going to be giving you my full review of this tablet. So let's not waste any other minutes. Let's jump right in and take a look. I finally got in the mail the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. I've been waiting impatiently since the 4th to be able to get this, and I am super excited. So this is going to be my unboxing review, or I'm sorry, my unboxing video, and I will have a review coming in the next couple weeks as I continue to use this as my main device for work and play. But I want to go ahead and get the unboxing video out to you guys. So I've already cut it, but we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy open. You guys are discovering this with me right now. Let's set that down. Oh, there it is. The tablet in all its glory. It's pretty light, a little more heft than I was expecting, but overall, I mean, for this size of tablet, it's super light. We'll get to this in just a second. And of course, then we've got the S Pen. I really like the feel of this already. It's a little lighter than I was expecting it to be, but I got a great feel in the hand. I can definitely see where this is going to feel a lot nicer than my stylus for my Note 10 Plus. We've also got the adaptive fast charger. Now, one of my main complaints as I've been watching everything on this leading up to this is only a 15-watt charger. The Samsung Tab S7 Plus does support up to 45-watt charger. I'll likely be using my 25-watt as my main point of power for this. But given the 10,000 plus milliamp battery in this is probably going to take a little while. So might be a throw on the charger at night kind of thing. Then, of course, we have the USB-C. Looks like it's a USB-C to USB-A cable that we'll use with that, power that. And then some good information from Samsung in here as well. The back here, along with a SIM ejector tool. I did not get the 5G variant, but this is used. The Samsung Tab S7 does have expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, I believe. So we'll be able to use that if we want to. So that's everything in the box. Nothing too special about it. But obviously what we want to get down to is the tablet here. So this tablet is basically the best tablet that money can buy right now. And that's part of the reason I'm so excited about it. So let's go ahead and take a look as we open this bad boy up. Oh, wow. The color on this is not done justice over video for sure. This is such a sleek looking black. It's kind of like a dark gray slate color. And there it is. There's that screen. Apologize about the glare. But you guys can, this is a huge screen for a tablet. Beautiful display. And your S Pen, it's pretty cool. It just basically sits right there. So it's super easy. It's not as strong as some of them I've seen, but I think it'll work well. I've also got the keyboard cover coming as well, which is going to be a huge help, but it's actually really simple, really snappy to put there. You can also put it on the top here. Oh, that's not right. There we go. So you can put it on the top just like that as well. Apparently that's not right either. I know it's somewhere around here. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, that's sturdy. So you can put it on there as propping it up for when you want. Looking around the outside, you've got your volume rockers here, your power button. That's it for buttons. But you can see you've got a mic on top. Come around to the other side. You've got quad speakers, so there's 2 on either side, along with another mic. On the bottom here, we have our quick connect for the keyboard accessory, which is pretty sweet. And then along the other side, You've got your USB charging port and of course a couple other speakers. So there's that. I'm going to take some time and get this set up and turned on. There it is. Samsung Tab S7. One of the things I want to point out too is I love the fact that we finally have the camera where it should be, especially for this type of tablet that's really meant to be a laptop replacement. You have it in the landscape view so that when you're doing Zoom calls, we all know what those are all about right now, you're going to be able to have the camera in the appropriate spot, unlike, say, something like the iPad Pro, where it's actually on the portrait mode is where you're going to see that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all started, get rocking with it, and I'll let you guys know what I think in an upcoming review video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys.